In this video, I will guide you through the process of withdrawing funds from an online platform to your Binance account. To demonstrate, I'll be using my Linebet account. I'll first show you how to withdraw from Linebet to Binance, and then how to send funds from Binance back to Linebet. First things first, you'll need the Binance mobile application installed on your phone. If you don't have it, pause this video, download it, and get your account set up and verified. You can use web as well. Let's start with the withdrawal process, which is incredibly straightforward once you know the steps. First, open your Linebet mobile application or log into their website. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the bottom right corner. You'll see a menu icon. Tap on that to bring up the full menu options. From this list, you'll want to find and tap on Withdraw Funds. This will take you to the Withdrawal Methods page, where you'll see a variety of options. Scroll down until you locate the cryptocurrency section. Within this section, you'll clearly see the Binance Pay option. This is exactly what we want to use for our withdrawal. Go ahead and select Binance Pay. The next screen will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. For this demonstration, I want to withdraw the entire available balance from my Linebet account, so I'll input that amount here. After entering the amount, you'll be asked to confirm some personal details, usually your first name, surname, and email address. Ensure these are accurate as per your Linebet account. Now, for the critical piece of information you'll need, your Binance ID. To get this, open your Binance app. Once you're in the Binance app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. This will open a side menu. Right at the very top of this menu, you'll see your Binance ID displayed prominently. It's a series of numbers. Simply tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. Once copied, switch back to your Linebet app and paste your Binance ID into the designated field. Double-check that all the information is correct, and then tap Confirm. Note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will need to open your Authenticator app, copy the code, and paste it in to confirm the withdrawal. And that's it for the Linebet side. The request is now processed. You'll typically need to wait a few minutes, or sometimes even just a few seconds, depending on the network congestion and Linebet's processing speed. Soon, you'll receive a notification from Binance, and the amount you withdrew will reflect in your Binance account. It's a remarkably fast and efficient way to get your funds back into your crypto wallet, ready for whatever you want to do next. This method truly simplifies the process of getting your money out of online platforms and back into a secure and versatile wallet like Binance. Now, let's move on to the second part of this tutorial. We're going to demonstrate how to deposit money from your Binance account back into an online platform that accepts Binance Pay, using Linebet as our example. This process is identical for any other site that uses Binance Pay. First, open your Linebet app or log into their website. Once you're in, locate and click the Deposit button. This will display a list of all available deposit methods. Scroll down to the cryptocurrency section, and there you will find and select Binance Pay. A new page will load, prompting you to enter the amount you wish to deposit. For this example, I'm going to enter 4,000 Kenyan shillings. After you've entered your desired amount, click Confirm. This will take you to a crucial step. A new page will open, displaying a unique QR code. This QR code is specific to your transaction and has a limited validity period, usually around 20 minutes. It's essential that you take a screenshot of this page immediately. This screenshot is your key to completing the deposit. Next, open your Binance app again. Navigate to the Home tab, which is located at the bottom left of your Binance app screen. From the home screen, look in the top right corner. You will see a small Pay icon. Tap on it. On the next page, in the same top right corner, you'll find an icon that resembles a QR code scanner, located right next to the Settings icon. Tap on it. Your phone's camera will open, ready to scan a QR code. However, since we took a screenshot, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an option to upload QR code. Tap on this, and it will open your phone's gallery. Find and select the screenshot you just took of the QR code from Linebet. Binance will then automatically scan the QR code from your image and pre-fill all the necessary transaction details. All that's left for you to do is to follow the prompts to confirm the payment. It's truly that straightforward and simple. Once you've confirmed, the transaction will be processed almost instantly. You'll receive a confirmation, and the money will be successfully credited to your Linebet account, ready for you to use. The funds should be credited to Linebet account instantly. If you don't see the money right away, simply refresh the page and it should appear. You've now mastered the full cycle, withdrawing from an online platform to Binance and depositing back, all using the incredibly efficient and secure Binance Pay system. This method effectively bypasses common delays and headaches associated with traditional payment methods, giving you unprecedented control over your funds. And there you have it, the complete, seamless loop of managing your funds using Binance Pay. We've covered how to effortlessly withdraw your money from platforms like Linebet directly into your Binance account, and then how to deposit back again, giving you complete control over your funds. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now confident in using this powerful method. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. I have 2 more videos I know you'll love. On the left of your screen is a complete guide on how to withdraw from Bet365, and on the right is a detailed tutorial on how to deposit in Bet365. If you were amazed by how easy this video made things, you will absolutely like those ones too. I will see you there.